I would like to welcome everyone to our closing ceremony. We indeed had a great time with the students. I really appreciate each one of them. We did a bonding experience. They went to various different departments such as agro-processing, marketing, extension, vet, propagation, and many others. You would hear much more from them. And once again, welcome.
Good morning, everyone. As mentioned, my name is Sikova Hughes, and I am going to share a bit of my experience here at the Agriculture Department. This is my second time doing this program, and I can say that it is a good experience, a good opportunity. You not only get to see one part of agriculture, but you get to experience agro-processing, marketing, extension, quarantine, marine, abattoir, and I think the veterinary clinic. And it gives, well, for me personally, I am interested in the marketing department. And not only did I get to be there, I had other experiences to kind of see if maybe am I really interested in marketing or another department interests me. But I can say marketing still has my heart. For any other upcoming individual, I would say even if agriculture is not your interest per se, still take the opportunity because you never know what could happen. I met a few persons that, you know, added some value to my life and gave me some very important facts to note as I go on. I just recently finished CFBC, studied agriculture business, and so this kind of enlightened me to really know what I want to do when I graduate. Um, that's about it. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. And let me say good morning to the staff here at the Department of Agriculture who's represented. And also good morning to you students who also was part of our program. Unfortunately for this year, I think it was probably the first time I was not able to be fully a part of the program with you. I even been here when you first started to welcome you. But from all reports, the time that you were here, from all reports, clearly indicated that you all really had a good time here. Some of you are repeating, some of you would have been here before, some of you are new. And the fact that some of you do come back, it clearly states that we have been doing quite a good job in terms of ensuring us that we are tweaking your minds, actually stimulating you to continue to return at agriculture for the summer job attachment program. For those of you who are new, can you just raise your hands for me, please, for those who are new? And for those who are new, just a question. Is it a program that you see yourself coming back to next year? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Good. So we welcome that. Over the period, a number of you were exposed to various sectors within the department. And I'm fully aware that there are areas that some of you would like. Some of you came here specifically looking for a particular area that you would like. But what we have realized in the past, it is always good to expose you to the various sectors. And that within itself helps to mold you as individuals. Our department has pride itself in terms of a number of our technical staff are persons from out of this same program. All right, and I do hope that even one or two of you will join us shortly as it relates to becoming technicians and continue to propel this sector forward. As we close today, let your experience here don't just stop here, but for those who are returning to school, please take that experience with you to school. continue to spread that message in terms of food security. Continue to spread that message as relates to ensuring that we as individuals could feed ourselves. For those who may not be returning to school, for those who probably seek employment elsewhere, we ask you to continue walk with that light in terms of having agriculture within you. Again, on the behalf of the Department of Agriculture and the ministry, it was a pleasure to have you all here, and we look forward to seeing you again in 2026. Thank you.
Hi, good morning all. On behalf of all the students from the various schools, we'd like to thank the department for having us a part of their summer job attachment program and for teaching us what it is to know about agriculture in terms of the livestock aspect and the crop aspect. So we'd like to say thank you. And, yeah.